It was Asia Capital Markets Day at the London Stock Exchange in the aim to grow awareness of the investment opportunities for both British and Asian investors, forging even stronger ties. And the morning started with market opening, attended by the Indonesian ambassador to the UK and a delegation of senior figures from banking, regulation and finance from Indonesia.
I'm absolutely delighted to be welcoming you all here to celebrate and kick off the start of what we think is an incredibly important day, which is the Asia Capital Markets Day.
I see this as yet another building blocks in the overall bilateral relationship between Indonesia and the UK. Both of our leaders agreed to really strengthen the relationship further, and I'm trying to elevate this to a higher level.
London has many qualities that Asian investors are looking for. I mean, deeply liquid markets, a very advanced legal and regulatory system, so it's a place that investors feel comfortable putting their money. Equally, Asia are fast-growing markets, so European investors are looking for access to the companies in those markets. Part of what today is about is getting those two sides together. There's a perception that companies that are earlier on in their evolution find a better audience somewhere like London than maybe they do in Asia.
Nur Haider, the chief executive of the Indonesian Financial Services Authority and in charge of capital markets supervision and regulation, spoke about the strength of the Southeast Asian economy and Indonesia's extraordinary growth.
Last year, our economic growth is 6.2%, higher than the average growth of Southeast Asian countries. In the area of capital market itself, our stock market indices has increased on the average about 20% per year since 2009.
She also detailed the strategies to simplify procedures and regulation, but without sacrificing investor protection.
We also have to increase the number of investors. So we believe that investors will come to our market if the market is fair, orderly, and transparent.
I think this openness is something that is welcomed in the UK. It's clearly of utmost importance to us to have a good, solid foundation, a good, solid relationship with our counterparts in other countries. We share the same goals, we share the same challenges. We're very interested in helping their companies really open up to global investors. And that's something that can't be done in isolation. It needs to be done together.
The more you have these events, the more people have dialogue and build relationships, the less barriers there are and the more people are comfortable investing in places other than Europe.
The partnership or cooperation between UK regulators and also the country and Indonesia is going to be very good for a global economy development.
The delegation from Indonesia is a particularly strong one. Valbury Capital's involvement has been instrumental. So clearly, we're very pleased with the results of today. We feel that, certainly in the case of Indonesia, that we've really helped to raise the profile of that country and those corporates among the audience, the institutional investor audience and advisor audience today.